Welcome to the top best. The best soap dispenser pump is probably one of the most overlooked items in your home, until it stops working. A faulty pump can lead to a messy countertop and a frustrating experience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of replacement soap dispenser pumps, exploring what makes a good one, and helping you choose the perfect replacement to keep your soap flowing smoothly. Number 5. Kapitan Soap Dispenser Pump Head Replacement. This is the Kapitan Soap Pump Head, a replacement part designed for your soap dispensers. It's made to be a durable and reliable solution for your needs. Crafted from stainless steel AISI 304, this pump head offers superior corrosion resistance. This ensures it maintains its strength and appearance over time. The brushed finish helps to prevent greasy fingerprints, keeping your dispenser clean. This design ensures your dispenser looks stylish for longer. It fits bottles with a thread size of 1.02 to 1.10 inches. The tube is easily trimmable to fit various dispenser sizes. This pump head is suitable for soap, lotion, and cleanser dispensers. It is designed to work with a variety of bottle materials. Please note that it is designed for bottle use only. It is not compatible with sink-mounted or built-in soap dispensers. What we like. This pump head is made of stainless steel, ensuring durability and a sleek look. Its brushed finish prevents those annoying fingerprint smudges, keeping your dispenser clean. If you're looking for a long-lasting and stylish upgrade for your soap dispenser, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who value both aesthetics and functionality. What people say. It fit the dispensers we have with no problem. So far they are both working well. These seem to be better quality than what comes with the dispensers. It's very nice quality. In fact, I like it so much, I'm going to buy more for my other disposable pump bottles and keep this one. They are lightweight and come with two sizes for inner tube, so if you use on a bigger bottle it is long enough and saves you from cutting for smaller bottles. They are made well. They are easy to put together and they don't seem to leak, so that's nice. Number 4. Styever Soap Dispenser for Kitchen Sink. This stainless steel soap dispenser is designed for your kitchen or bathroom. It's made to assist your daily needs while adding value to your home. It's a perfect addition to any sink. The dispenser includes a 16-ounce bottle, but you can also use the included 47-inch extension tube. This allows you to connect directly to larger containers, meaning fewer refills for you. It uses a manual hand pump that's always ready and easy to access. This makes it ideal for hand soap, dish soap, or any soap, detergents, shampoo, and conditioner. It's simple and convenient. The product includes a 16-ounce bottle for fewer refills. Alternatively, use the 47-inch extension tube kit to connect to larger soap containers directly. This feature saves you time and effort. Installation is quick with a 1-inch cutout and all required accessories. You can install it effortlessly on any kitchen sink or countertop. Easy step-by-step instructions are included. What we like. This soap dispenser features a built-in design, making it a seamless addition to your kitchen or bathroom. It comes with a large capacity bottle or an extension tube for larger containers, reducing the need for frequent refills. If you have limited counter space or prefer a clean, integrated look, this dispenser is a great option. It's perfect for those who want convenience and style in one package. What people say. Delivery was fast, and the size fits my sink perfectly. It blends beautifully with my kitchen's existing colors. Installation was quick and easy, and it works flawlessly. This new one is great in that it has a plastic piece instead that won't have this problem of rusting. It was very easy to install. I used the soap container that it came with. The only hard part for me was getting the old soap dispenser out. I also ended up not using the washers with the new one because it didn't fit as well in my sinkhole when trying to use them. Works perfectly now, and I'm happy to know that the soap can be refilled from above. I am using the hose to my large bottle of soap. It's nice not having it on the counter nor having to constantly refill a smaller container. It looks great, matches my faucet, and is honestly one of the best, dumb, things I've ever bought. Number 3. Oil Rubbed Bronze Soap Dispenser Replacement Pump. Tired of your old pump? This replacement is perfect for liquid soap, lotion, or dish soap. It's designed to be a durable and stylish upgrade for your existing dispensers. The pump is made of oil-rubbed bronze metal with a see-through base. You can see the metal spring inside. It's built to last and adds a touch of elegance. It comes with a collar ring and a 9-inch tube, which can be easily cut to your desired length. Just make sure to cut at an angle to avoid any suction issues. This pump fits bottles with a 28-400 thread. It's compatible with many bottles, including 2-liter Coke bottles and some liquor bottles. Check your bottle size before purchasing. Great for refillable bottles of hand soap, body lotion, dish soap, and more. The pump's elegant design makes it a perfect addition to your kitchen or bathroom. It fits perfectly on Cornhuskers lotion bottles, 8 ounces or 16-ounce Boston round bottles, and liquor bottles with a 28 mm wide neck. Enjoy a seamless and stylish upgrade. What we like? This pump boasts a heavy-duty metal construction and a see-through base, showcasing its robust design. It's compatible with a variety of bottle sizes, including popular liquor bottles. If you like to upcycle bottles or have specific brands you prefer, this pump offers versatility. It's ideal for those who appreciate durability and customization options. What people say. Fit my soap dispenser perfectly, looks nice, and now my soap dispenser works nicely again. I like that it doesn't look like a cheap replacement pump. I needed to replace pumps on soap dispensers that had cracked and peeled. I also like that I could get in the bronze color, which matches better with other items and give the dispensers a more distinct look. This product was an excellent replacement for a cheap plastic pump that was wearing out and looked awful. This appears to be metal and comes with an extra long straw that you can cut to the length of your soap dispenser. It also comes with this little plastic piece that I'm assuming can be slipped over a smaller soap dispenser opening so that you can make this replacement fit. Number 2. Stainless steel soap pump replacement, pack of 2. Introducing a pack of 2 heavy-duty soap dispenser pump replacements. Each pump dispenses 2 cc with a 28-400 thread size, eliminating the need for multiple pumps. It includes 4 tubes, easily customizable to your preferred length. This stainless steel soap pump replacement rotates 360 degrees and is ready to dispense soap or lotion. It's lightweight and space-saving. Great for adding to existing bottles or replacing old pump tops. Built to last, this pump features a rust-proof 304 stainless steel exterior, a corrosion-resistant material. It's designed with an internal stainless steel spring and a glass ball for added durability. Suitable for various liquid soap dispensers, whether glass or plastic. This pump handles thick liquids like conditioner, dish soap, lotions, and more. It's eco-friendly and helps save on your household budget. If you encounter any quality issues or have trouble using the product, contact us anytime. Enjoy a 60-day return or exchange policy. We are committed to your satisfaction. Please note that soap dispenser bottles are not included. What we like. This product is made of rust-proof stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to corrosion. It comes in a pack of 2, offering great value and a spare. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective solution, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want durability and practicality. What people say. These are beautiful and well-designed. The product includes 2 sizes of pump inserts so that you can use them in either tall or short bottles. They match, they hold up, and they are actually much easier to use with one hand when doing dishes or washing hands than the original flimsy ones that came with the glass bottles. These new ones are metal. Number 1. Navaris Soap Dispenser Pumps, 2-pack, Design 1, Black. Tired of throwing away those empty bottles? This stainless steel pump lets you give them a new purpose. It easily transforms them into stylish soap or lotion dispensers. This pump is designed to fit a variety of bottles. The extra long tube can be trimmed to your desired length. It's perfect for tall, short, and everything in between. Each pack includes 2 dispenser heads made of stainless steel and pages. They measure 214 inches in height and 238 inches in width. It fits most bottles with a 1 to 118 inch diameter. Is your current dispenser looking a little worn? This stainless steel head is the perfect replacement. It will instantly refresh the look of your soap or lotion dispenser. With its sleek stainless steel design, this pump adds a modern touch to any home. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in style. What we like. This dispenser allows you to upcycle old bottles, giving them a new purpose. It features an adjustable tube length to fit various bottle sizes. If you're eco-conscious and enjoy a modern aesthetic, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want to reduce waste and add a touch of style to their home. What people say. This was a perfect fit to the cheap plastic pump that came with my soap dispenser which had broken. Install was easy, just a quick cut and place. These are so much more sturdy and I expect will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.